Hi, my name is Laura, and I'm going to show you how to make tissue paper ball decorations. So what you're going to need is a pack of tissue paper and some twist ties or pipe cleaners or some string to tie it off. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is lay all your tissue paper out on your table, like all stacked on top of each other. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make like a fan out of it, just folding back and forth. Just keep repeating the back and forth until you get all the way to the edge. It's okay if it gets a little bit wrinkly because it's all going to fan out anyway. And it's tissue paper. It's way too fragile. And it actually looks kind of cool when it's wrinkled. All right, so we're almost there. And then we're going to fold it in half. All right, at this point, what we're going to do is take our tie, and we're going to tie it around. Make sure that it is good to stay that way, because it might want to come apart later, and you don't want it to do that. So seal that. And now what I'm going to do is find the center point, and I'm going to cut a pattern on the end of this so it looks neat. I'm going to cut a sort of like semicircle, like this. And then we're going to do that to the other side as well. And now, what we're going to do is open it up and start pulling the layers back, one paper at a time, until you get sort of a ball. And be careful, because this really, really wants to rip. It's really delicate. And if it does, it's not a huge deal, but just know that it wants to. Fortunately, it will be buried in the mass of what you're creating. So we're going to do that on both sides. Just make sure you want to give it as much volume as you'd like. And then when you're satisfied, you're done. From there, you can do whatever you want with it. You can leave it sitting, or you can hang it. You can tie a string around the center and hang it. And that is how you make a tissue paper ball. I'm Laura. Thank you for watching.